This is my Mercedes, this is my villa, this is my story. Wouldn't you love to say the same? You work tirelessly, honestly and persistently, yet still can't achieve what you're striving for? Today, I'll share something other bloggers don't talk about. I'll give you an effective and proven strategy that's perfect even for beginners. Hi friends, I'm Evelyn, a professional trader with over 8 years of experience. My current win rate is over 91%. I used to dream about quitting my 9-to-5 job and traveling the world in first class. Now, thanks to trading, the dream has become my reality. Wondering how I made it happen? Watch closely. In this video, I'll walk you through my step-by-step method. And if you don't want to wait, click the link in the description to join my community of traders and investment consultants. There, I share insights I can't talk about on YouTube. By the way, before today's session, I already withdrew my funds. One of the biggest advantages of this platform is that there are no fees. If you have any questions or feel unsure about anything, reach out to me on Telegram. The link is in the description. I'd be happy to help. Alright friends, I've set everything up. Now it's time to choose the players. Today I'm thinking of focusing exclusively on stocks. How about that? Let's pick an indicator. My choice is RSI, which helps analyze past candle movements and predict future trends. Was that clear? If not, don't hesitate to DM me on Telegram. I'll leave the link in the comment section of this video. Looking at the chart, we can see the candle hitting a resistance level, meaning we can expect it to drop. Great, let's move on. Here I'm confidently going down from the resistance level. The indicator shows divergence. Once again, we nailed it! What a smooth move. Remember, you don't have to use everything you've got. There are risks involved. I cover that in detail on my Telegram channel. If you want to feel more confident in trading, join me there. Let's keep going. Up next, we've got the Digital Genius. Look at how the trend has shifted. I'm expecting a move down to the support level. Got it! This is the greatest part. This one's a no-brainer. The trend's moving towards the resistance level. Let's go up. The trend shot up confidently, as if everyone suddenly decided to invest. Remember, you can copy my every move and apply them in your own sessions. That way, you'll boost your chances of success. On average, my followers make 880 per session with me. I'm thrilled! My community has grown to over 18,000 members. I regularly host live streams where you can learn new, effective strategies and sharpen your skills. Or you can just sit back, relax, and follow my moves to achieve the same impressive results. It's perfect for beginners or for anyone who hates the grind of routine work. If you're watching this video, you're already on the right track. The link to my Investors Club is in the pinned comment and the description. Oh, and as a little bonus, I'm giving you a promo code for an extra 50% on your first deposit. What's going on with Intel? Here I'm going down with the trend after the correction ends. Every success lifts my spirits. Let's keep going. Hello again, Apple. Since the candle impulsively hit the level and the indicator is showing oversold conditions, let's aim for an upward move. And once again, we nailed it. Now we're on American Express. The trend has shifted downward, so let's trust it. Whoa, I just can't stop. Let's do a couple more sessions and we'll call it a day. We've got a bonus of the support level here. It looks like it's time to go up. Smooth and steady toward another positive result. For beginners, identifying the right entry points can feel overwhelming at first. But don't worry, on my Telegram channel I do sessions daily and you can see all my entry points in real time. The link is in the description or pinned comment. Let's finish with what we started, our favorite, Apple. Look at the bulls charging upward. The indicator shows overbought conditions, so sooner or later it's bound to change. Bears, it's your time to shine. Fantastic result! I'm so happy. It looks like a new ring is coming on my way. Remember the initial 50? And now? It seems unbelievable, doesn't it? But I've proven that it's possible. Want the same results? It's totally achievable. I once couldn't even imagine making in a day what my parents made in a month. Now, to help others achieve their goals, I share tons of valuable information with my 18,000 followers on my Telegram channel. I personally guide beginners, explaining how to use the platform step by step, what to click, when to act. You can simply copy my moves and get amazing results as I do. I'm waiting for you on the channel. The links in the description.